Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing Bazzite and Linux Mint to see if which one is the ultimate Linux distro for you. So first, let's start by talking about the target user. So the Bazzite, it is for gamers and Steam Deck users, while the Linux Mint, it is for beginners and for the Windows switchers. So on this one, it's a tie, different audiences, different strength, and you just have to pick your path. Next to that is the desktop experience. So for Bazzite, it has KDE and GNOME with gaming focus, while the Linux Mint, it has Cinnamon, familiar Windows-like UI. So the Mint feels like home for Windows users, and Bazzite for gamers. Next is the gaming support. So the Bazzite, it has pre-configured and Steam integration, while the Linux Mint, it has manual setup required. So if you want gaming, then Bazzite wins. So it's just works. Next to that is the stability. So for Bazzite, it is immutable. So it has atomic updates. While Linux Mint, it is the Ubuntu LTS base. So it's rock solid. So for this one, it's just a tie. Both are stable, but just different philosophies. Lastly is the software availability. So for Bazzite, it is flatpak focused, while the Linux Mint, it is APT plus flatpak plus snap options. So Mint gives you more packages option out of the box. But at the very end, it depends on what you need and what you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.